Frogs are out there. The fire is very, very hot. Bob is clearing out between the two fences with our neighbor. We have two neighbors who put all of their firewood behind, either behind their house or between our fences. So it's kind of scary about thinking about fires. Anyway, Bob is about to go get bird food and put it away. We don't leave it out at night because either raccoons or an opossum or mice or something come out here and, get it. The stars are very, very bright tonight. It's a dark night. Yeah, you don't have to do the one that's just the red one, not the one that's on the chains, because there's no food in that. So you don't have to put that one away. You can put the red one away, but not the other one. The other one on the chain. There's no food. It's just shells. You can put it on the ground. The seed's on the ground. They've eaten it. It's not as cold as usual. Last night it got down to 29 degrees or 28 degrees and felt like 21. That's what they said it felt like. I don't know, I was inside. Yes, I was. Now the people behind us just turned their lights on. I bet our cat's gonna miss us.